Racing just is started with think twice, break quick, little start, Handsome Prince, Mibelia Amore, cuts Regal, then comes the Lady Wins Amiga, while Never Say Goodbye is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have Think Twice, Link and Hatta, Handsome Prince in second, Mibelia Amore is racing in third, the Lady Wins is down in fourth, Cats Regal, then followed by Never Say Goodbye Amiga. Back to the leader, we have Think Twice by Link. Moving up on the outside is Mibelia Amore, Handsome Prince, the Lady Wins, Cats Regal, Never Say Goodbye, and Amiga is still in less. And at the fourth turn, we have Think Twice, Mibelia Amore, now about to throw the challenge on the outside. And in third comes the Lady Wins, Handsome Prince, Amiga, Cats Regal, and Never Say Goodbye as they swing for home. Think Twice back to 2 lengths lead. Mibelia Amore is on the outside second. The Lady Wins last 50 meters. We have Think Twice followed by Mibelia Amore, and finally Think Twice, Mibelia Amore, the Lady Wins Amiga, Never Say Goodbye, Cats Regal, and Handsome Prince.
Alright, number 4, Think Twice. Crossing the wire first, ridden by Jen Huko. Then Masi Segundo in 5, Mibelia Amore. The Lady Wins, then